So that's good now. That's good stuff. And that's too slow. And you can measure the frying time on the side when you see the protein denaturate on the side. So when it's up on close to half, it's time to switch side. But be gentle because you don't want to do this. So when I do it like you do now, I use this corner to flip it. And then you turn it and you flip. Okay?
Chef from Poland. Chef from New York.
Sorry, yes, they are.
I'll put this one. And I think maybe you go with pepper on top.
Yeah, black pepper.
Now I get inspired by a lot of things. Often when I see a good idea, I save it on my phone, and then I forget about it, and then I look at it again after a couple of months, and I realize, oh, this was a good idea.
That's nice.